Hi, Captain Chris here, and again we're talking about a diesel generator, and this is a classroom model that we use in our Introduction to Boat Systems class. But this hose is your pickup for the raw water, seawater to come up into the raw water pump or the rubber vane impeller pump. And I'm shining the flashlight on it there. You can see that flat disc that's got the rubber impeller in it. That will pull up the raw water and it will discharge it out this hose, and then it goes into the heat exchanger, which is the cylinder on the front of the diesel engine. It will travel raw water over there and the raw water will come back, and this is cooling the antifreeze in this larger diameter hose here. So the raw water will finish the path here at the end of my yellow stick, and then it will exit at the bottom of the heat exchanger, and it will come out this hose and up to the exhaust elbow, or you might know that as a riser. So that's where the exhaust goes out. The hot exhaust from the engine manifold is mixed with the raw water to cool it, and it exhausts out a rubber hose the back of the boat. By the way, this is a thermal sensor. In case you have no water flow, it will shut down the generator. So this is something we use in our classes. We invite you to come to the classes, and we can show you other things on the diesel engine, much like your propulsion engine, whatever the brand is. But this is a 1, 2, 3-cylinder diesel engine. So these are the injectors. Way down here, using the flashlight, that's the injector pump or the metering pump that meters the amount of fuel that goes out to the injectors. We also have the fuel system, the fuel pump, an alternator over here, and we have the thermostat, thermostatically controlled antifreeze, and then we've got this black dot. Ask us what that black dot is when you come attend our class. So if you want to learn more about maintaining your own boat, generators, propulsion engines, air conditioners, or just the electrical system on board, ask Captain Chris in our next Introduction to Boat Systems class. And conveniently, we also have our Cruising Fundamentals 101 the same weekend.